With its ease of service and loads of features, the 2815 delivers maximum durability and performance. This model was developed with a wide range of customers and applications in mind. Whether pasture maintenance, roadside mowing, or cornstalk shredding, the 2815 is unsurpassed. Let's take a look at its features. To begin with, the 2815 features the Bush Hog patented perma-level hitch, which keeps the unit's hitch clevis level on the tractor drawbar on all types of terrain. The unit now has a 3/8 inch reinforcing plate at the perma-level hitch location for increased strength necessary when cutting over the toughest, most demanding terrain. The 2815 features a 10-gauge steel top deck and a 7-gauge bottom deck on the center section of the cutter for maximum strength. The wing decks are also 7-gauge material without exposed structure. The center section skids are designed with the inside and outside edges turned up at 45 degrees to prevent them from digging into the turf during turns. In addition, the center section skids are located at the blade overlap areas. Any potential streaking or uncut material caused by the low positioned skids is eliminated when the material is lifted and cut by both center and wing blades. The outside edges of the wing skids are also turned upward at 45 degrees. This eliminates the possibility of skids digging into the turf, which can be a major cause of sideband damage and failure. In addition, the 2815 skids consist of two 3/8 inch thick sections. The forward section is wider on the bottom side for increased surface area and longer life. The skids are in halves, which allow the customer to replace only the front section if needed, since this is usually the major area of wear. Leveling rods are located inside the strong back tubes in the center section for easier cleaning and a smooth deck. The 2815 also features an ASAE Category 6 PTO driveline and ASAE Category 4 wing drivelines. Also, slip clutches are standard on each of the cutting gearboxes. It comes standard with flip-up shields on the gearboxes for easy maintenance. The patented oil sight gauge takes the guesswork out of checking gearbox oil. Now in less than 10 seconds, all 3 cutting box oil levels can be checked and rechecked. The high blade tip speeds of 16,000 feet per minute ensure a very clean cut. Gearbox fuel performance ratings are 250 horsepower on the main gearbox and 225 horsepower on the wing boxes. The cutting gearbox output shaft is 3 inches in diameter and is an industry first. This large shaft has 17% more splines than competitors' units, and the splines are deeper for maximum transfer of torque to the blade pan. The center section blades are also properly aligned with the center wheels to allow a closer cut at the bottom of ditches. There is a slot wing float, which allows wing movement without affecting the hydraulic cylinder. This adjustment offers 22 degrees down and 45 degrees up of free float, which minimizes cylinder wear. The 2815 also features grease fittings and spring steel bushings at axle pivot points for longer life and easier maintenance. The wing and PTO drivelines have a grease fitting located midway between the front and rear halves. All cross bearings have the grease fittings located in the end cap. All driveline grease fittings are in alignment for quick and easy service. In addition, at the 5th revolution of the drivelines, all grease fittings on all drivelines are positioned upwards for quick access and reduced maintenance time. The 2815 was designed with new positions for the axle turnbuckles and axle weldments. This new geometry resulted with the turnbuckles being aligned with the hinges, creating lower profile axles. This positioning contributes to less hinge wear and a more durable connection to turnbuckle and axle. New hinges on the 2815 are cast steel and have over 200% more surface wear area than the previous Flexwings. This increased wear surface area results in extended hinge life and less frequent turnbuckle adjustment to maintain level wings. Placing the jack stand in the vertical position while in use can be accomplished easily with the new serrated mounting plate that can be easily adjusted to obtain the vertical position. In addition, the serrated plate is a strong, non-slip surface that eliminates movement of the jack stand. There are round blade pans built with 5-inch wide blade bars for years of top performance in tough mowing conditions. Operation and travel lights are standard, ensuring safety on the road. And all axle pivot points have grease fittings, and there is a steel spring near each wheel for maximum shock absorption. The optional distribution baffles are available when windrows of cut material are not acceptable. Whether shredding corn or cutting grass and weeds, the 2815's distribution performance with its distribution baffles can't be matched. Lastly, there's our hubcap retainers on all wheels. This unit is rated to cut 4-inch diameter material and operates on a minimum of a 60 PTO horsepower tractor. This Flexwing is designed for the heavy-duty jobs and is perfect for farm use, roadside, and pasture mowing. The 2815 is built tough in Selma, Alabama. See your Bush Hog dealer for pricing and details.